Hello and welcome to This Die for We Cooking. I'm your host Nette, and today we are going to be cooking my favorite chicken, Nette's Chi-Town fried chicken and gizzards. So we're going to get started. All right. So first, you're gonna get you a whole chicken and cut up. You want to clean it with some vinegar and water or lemon and water. And what I do the night before, because I brine my chicken, and I brined it in a sea salt mixture, sea salt and water. And to brine, you want 2 tablespoons of sea salt to a gallon of water. So after I wash my chicken with the vinegar and the water, then I made my brine. And like I said, I put my chicken in my brine and I let it sit overnight in the fridge. Because with brining, what it does, it pulls the water out of the protein, and then when it goes back in, when it pushes itself back in, it pushes the salt in with it, so it helps to season the protein, which is awesome. So with this chicken, I have another fried chicken, which is my buttermilk southern fried chicken, but today we're doing Nette's Chi-Town fried chicken and gizzards. So you're gonna need the brine mix. Do all that the night before. Set it in six hours or more in the fridge. Then you want to rinse your chicken, drain it, get as much water off as possible. And then we're going to start with the seasoning to the chicken and the seasoning to the coating. So first you're going to need 3 cups of all-purpose flour. And then to that flour, you're going to add 1 tablespoon of cayenne pepper. Now, if you don't like the spice, the little heat, you can omit the cayenne pepper and just use your black pepper that's in here also. You're going to use a tablespoon of cayenne pepper. You're going to use a tablespoon of your parsley, a tablespoon of paprika, tablespoon of garlic powder and onion powder, and a half a tablespoon of your black pepper. Let me just set that down. I think I put a half a, I can't see. Not a half a tablespoon, a teaspoon of cracked black pepper. Now, if you're not going to use the cayenne, you can do the tablespoon of cracked black pepper. So a teaspoon of cracked black pepper, and you want a half a tablespoon of your fine sea salt. So this here is my parsley, onion powder, garlic powder, and cracked black pepper. So you're going to add that to your flour. Then you're going to add your cayenne pepper, paprika, and your sea salt. Put that in there. And you know, back in the days, we used to shake our chicken, and we used to use the paper bag, brown paper bags, or the plastic bag. But get yourself a Ziploc. This is a gallon bag. Doesn't have, the brand doesn't matter, but this is a gallon bag, and you want to just mix all those seasonings into that flour. And then you're going to set it aside. And then for your seasoning for your chicken, all you're going to use is my special seasoning, Nette seasoning. Let me just shake it up a little bit to get some of that thyme and everything mixed back in with it evenly. Nette seasoning, and I'll put the seasoning in the description down below, or you can check it out. I have a video for it that shows you how to make it. You want to use some smoked paprika. I put regular paprika and the seasoning for the all-purpose seasoning, the coating. So I'm gonna just use these two to season my chicken and my gizzards. And if you have a deep fryer, go ahead and use your deep fryer. If you have a cast iron skillet, you can use that or a regular skillet. So, okay, so now I'm gonna season my chicken. You wanna season your chicken good. And your gizzards, which is part of the chicken. Alrighty, almost good. Get a nice amount on there. Put some of my paprika, smoked paprika. For this one, I don't use the dry, wet, dry. I'm just brining and seasoning and flouring. Actually, I'm gonna put a little bit more black pepper. Okay, so I just need to turn these over to do the other side. You know, I say move that skin out of the way so you can get all that meat coated with this good seasoning. Over. Then with my gizzards, what I do, I just kind of mix them together. And in fact, let me put on another glove so we can get through it kind of quicker. So I'm just massaging the seasoning in. Give it a little massage. And you can have it with some cookies, some fries on the side. I have me some leftover Caribbean beans. So I am going to take those out and heat those up with it. But whatever side dish that you like is fine. Okay, I'm gonna remove that and finish seasoning this good old chicken. And I try to get my whole chickens small. I don't like the great big old pieces of chicken. I'm used to eating chicken that look like chicken. And not like a turkey or an eagle. I don't want no eagle chicken. Chicken supposed to look like chicken. And then some more over this. Gizzards. And these are around about, maybe like, this is probably like 1.5 pounds of gizzards. So you just want to coat your chicken and give that smoked paprika a little shake on it. Move that skin back over because you want it on that skin too. You don't see too much skin because I cuts it off. All right. Got it massaged in pretty good. You know, with the wings, you want to get all up in there. So just need just a little bit more. Hit it with a little more. Just a little more. And my oil is ready. Let's see. You know, sometimes they be having those open little slits in them sometimes, so get in there good. Put a little bit more. And we have some openings on that chicken. I just want to make sure it's seasoned good. All right. Now we're gonna move on to getting these babies in some hot oil. Get me another glove to put on. Start putting your chicken in. And throw that whole chicken in there. Seal it up pretty good. And give it a shake. You can still have clean hands. But like I said, you all know that I have my bleach and water solution on hand. So everything will get sprayed down. Like I say, wash your chicken. If you think some chicken splattered somewhere, just get some bleach and water. Alrighty, so I'm gonna move this over so we can get that camera a little closer to what's gonna be cooking. Alrighty, and get you your pan to put your chicken on, your wire rack. Have your wire rack on the side. If you don't have a wire rack, then just, you know how we do it. Get your bowl or a pan and put some paper towel in it. That's all. You want to get it nice and coated good. Drop in a few at a time. And put my legs and my thighs. I'll put the white meat in together because the white and the dark meat, they cook. The cooking time is a little bit different. I'm going to put my chicken back. Y'all know I like my chicken back. Chicken back. Okay. So I would say around... Well, this one won't take that long. Put that one in there. Around a good 7 to 10 minutes. And then we will check it out and see how it looks. You want a nice golden brown. And then we will put our gizzards in after the chicken. And we'll just deep fry afterwards if you want to fry you up. In your deep fryer, some fries or any side that you like. Do that. So we will be back. Alrighty, the first batch is done. My son just bought me in some stainless steel pot set. Hey, I'll let you guys see them once I'm done with the chicken. So you want to put it on a wire rack. And then get your next one started. So I kept it in for around, it's like 10-11 minutes till they golden brown. Then I'm gonna put my chicken breast in. So you see it's looking good. All right. just get those chicken breasts in and wings, and then I'll throw some gizzards in there. And for the deep fryer, it's hot for the chicken at 365 degrees, 165, or is that 85? 185 Celsius. So I will be putting in the next batch, and I will let you guys see how it looks. These are my chicken breasts. And the chicken wings. So I will cook that for around probably 10, 11 minutes, 12. I'll let you guys know exactly how many minutes approximately for you all. And I'll be back. Alright, so I took out my breast. Y'all see I couldn't wait. The chicken back got attacked. I attacked the back. So now I'm gonna put my gizzards in. Let me get another glove so I can shake off more and put it in. Get my gizzards, and then everything will be done. This glove is giving me a hard time though. Let me just, so I'm gonna put my, come on glove. Okay, I think I got it, y'all. Yep, got it. So I'm gonna get my gizzards and shake them off some of this extra that it doesn't need. Alright, drop those in. And give them a fry. When everything is done, I will be back. Alrighty, the gizzards took between 7 to 10 minutes. And this is my chicken, my Chi-Town chicken, fried chicken and fried gizzards. Sometimes I use the wet coating and then the dry coating when I want more crust, but I didn't feel it today, so, and it's good either way. So next, fried chicken and gizzards. I hope you guys enjoyed the show. You get one of these gizzards. Bon appetit.